Hey everyone, how are you? How are you guys doing today? Thanks very much for joining this live stream. I've got something special for you guys here. So this is something I came across last week, something I've actually done. So I'm definitely going to show you guys this. This is a great idea how to get some extra cash. So I've got two sites. We're going to have a look at Coinbase, and there's a claim-free Stellar as well, which we're going to take a look at. So I'll go through that shortly. Just a big welcome to everybody. If you're watching this later, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching. Right, so we've got one watching, or there's one in the chat so long. Not sure exactly how many people are going to watch this afterwards, or if you're going to drop in now, but we'll get things started shortly. But I'll put the details in the description to Coinbase. You can set up an account with them, and then you can go into the Earn Crypto section, which is a section here where you can literally just watch some videos and earn some crypto. But then you can obviously convert that into your currency, and then with Coinbase it allows you to add a PayPal account, so you can also consider doing that as well. David, how are you? Hey David, are you well? Hope you're well, buddy. How are you? So I hope the feed's coming through okay. Oh, it seems a little bit quiet today. Obviously it's Saturday. I suspect so more than likely everyone's probably working. Hope you're keeping well. Apologies for the noise there. David is here. Mike Wolf. Hey Mike, how are you doing? Not sure if you guys are familiar with crypto, but there's a really easy way to get free crypto, which you can then convert into money, and then obviously you can get it transferred to an account. Either you can set up an account or you can send it through to PayPal. So just wanted to show you guys this great tip to earn some free stuff, and then you can decide what you want to do with that. And hence why I put the title there: free crypto equals free gold, or free or gold, obviously depending on the amount of crypto you get. So we're going to wait for a few more people to drop in. Hey Mike, you keeping well? There we got Mrs. Big T Coins. Mrs. Big T Coins, how are you? I'm only going to stream for live stream probably for an hour max. So we'll see how it goes. Hope you can everyone hear me okay? Because I'm going to get cracking with this shortly. Mike Wolf, I've got 5 weeks off. The building I work in had its roof blown off by a tornado. Wow, okay. That just missed the place I work at. Jeez, okay. Well, as long as you're okay, Mike, thankfully. Yeah, he's confirmed there. Yep. Keeping well as I can. And then everyone's just saying hello to everybody there. So we're going to get straight into this then. So I'll put the link to Coinbase in the description. So once you head to Coinbase, you're going to go to the home screen. I've already done the free crypto, so you can see there's some of it there. I've already taken some of it out because I don't use Coinbase as my main account. I have an alternative account. So literally, I just transferred that straight out into the other one. So what we're going to do here is, okay. So once you go into your home screen, I've got my accounts open, so I'm already logged in. That's why you can see buy and sell on the screen. So you can see home, buy and sell, and accounts. And then what you can do is you can scroll down to where it says Earn Crypto. And you just click on that, and then what it'll do is it'll give you some basic videos. So if you want to sit there and watch videos, you can. It'll ask you a few questions. You can just answer them, and there you go. It says you can earn. There's $6 on that one. There's $10 on that one, so that's 16 in total. So that's already an ounce of silver. Stellar Lumens, they're giving $50 away, but $10 are just on the basis of the questions. And then what you can do there is you can invite 4 friends, and if they accept the invite, then you'll get an extra $10 per invite that actually goes out. Stephen Heath, how are you? Hey, Stephen, you well, my friend? My friend from over the water. Everyone's over the water. That's in the chat. Yeah, so you can get you can earn up to $50 just on Stellar Lumens. So that's just by doing the basic watch the videos, you get $10. And then if you invite up to 4 friends, you send them a link. And if they go through that link, you will automatically, and they obviously go through it, you'll get the $10 per link. So you can get $50 straight away, straight on that one alone. And then there's some other ones, but these are expired. Zcash is no longer available. I've done the basic attention token. That's a further $10. So if you add that up, so it's 10 there, 10 for Stellar Lumens, $10 for EOS, and then $6 for DAI. So that's $36 to start yourself off with. But that's already about 2 ounces. And then obviously if you were to invite your 4 friends and they all accept, you'll get an additional $40. So that's $76 of free stuff out there that you can potentially convert that into currency. Up to you. I mean, whether you're interested in crypto, it's one way to get into it. I'm into crypto, so I have cryptocurrency. I like a good spread. I've got precious metals, I've got gold, I've got silver, I've got property, and then I also spread out to cryptocurrencies, and I have a portfolio of cryptocurrencies. But again, it's up to you. You can, if you want, you can convert that into precious metals. Just depends on what you want to do. Okay, so there's potentially $76 on Coinbase up for grabs, and all you have to do is basically open an account with them. You don't need to add your personal bank account. I've done this without adding a personal bank account. You can link your PayPal account to it for withdrawals only. So if you want to convert your crypto into your PayPal account, then obviously you can do that, and then you can transfer that out. And then you can do what you like with it. But the money's there. It's entirely up to yourself how you want to do it. Just going to check the chat. Top of the morning. Miss Big Toins. Wow, nice. I just have a tiny bit of crypto. Okay, well, Mrs. Big, if you want to increase your crypto holdings, if you're interested in it, go to Coinbase, do these simple videos, just watch the videos, and you'll be earning money. You'll see the stuff being instantly deposited into your Coinbase account, and then it's up to you on how you want to do that. You can transfer that into your PayPal account if you want. You can take that money out, and then you can convert that into precious metals. And so I put the title there: free crypto equals free silver or gold. There's nothing, hidden away, or there's nothing crazy about it. It's money there for the taking. We're going to go into the other one, which is the Stellar Lumens giveaway. There's another giveaway link to that. Limey's talking crypto again. Well, look, again, this is in relation to free stuff, free money that's out there. There's free money out there, Stephen. So it's entirely up to you whether you want to just ignore it, leave the money there, don't bother with it. Otherwise, you can take this crypto, convert it into your fiat currency of choice, or put it into your PayPal accounts, and then you can buy silver with it. I mean, I'm not joking. With regards to the title, it says free crypto. It is free crypto. There's nothing you have to do. I mean, obviously, you just need to register with them, but literally, you can just watch a video. Well, let's see if we can go in here. So let's have a look. I've already done these ones here, so let's go into DAI. Right, so there it is. Basic lessons. I've done that one. You earn $2 there, $2 there, $2 there. So that's the $6 in total just by watching 3 videos. Stephen, do you have any crypto, Stephen? Just out of interest. So Mrs. Big T Coin says that she's got crypto. Does anyone else have crypto that's in the chat? So I'm going to go back, and I'll just go into the Stellar Lumens with the $40 out remaining. Okay, so there you go. So you can see I've done the first 5 lessons, so I've got $2 for that automatically, and then it says there, earn an extra 40. Invite up to 4 friends to earn your Stellar Lumens, and earn $10 in XLM for each eligible friend who completes a lesson. That's all. That's all they need to do is complete a lesson, and you've got $10 in the bank. And then it's up to you. I'll show you how to. I've got some. If we go into buy and sell, obviously, so once you've completed all those courses, you've got $36 sitting in there, ready to rock and roll. And then if you get those 4 friends to, if you get them invited to your account, you'll get the extra $40 top up. So it's $76 that's potentially there, and what can you get for $76 these days? Obviously, you can get some silver. You can even buy maybe a 1/20th of an ounce of gold. It's free money. Anyway, so we'll click into sell. I'll show you guys here. So once you go, you can select the currency that you have. So I've only got the VAT token left. So that's 30.32. So we're going to go 30.32. There we go. Now what you can do is you can sell that, and then that will be deposited into your Euro wallet, or obviously USD wallets, depending on where you are in the world. So I'll have €8.86. There, it gives you a breakdown of the cost. So it says you are selling 30.32 BAT. It says available instantly, and it gives you there the Coinbase fee is only $1. So the total payout is €7.87. And then from there you can transfer it out into your either you can register bank accounts, or you can put your PayPal details. Entirely up to you how you want to do it. But what do you guys think? I mean, is anyone going to give it a go? Let's have a look. We got Stephen Heath says no comments, no problem. And what do you mean, like talking crypto again? I barely mentioned crypto, Stephen. Jeez. But yeah, I mean that's just the one here. Then you've got this one here, which is blockchain. Blockchain.com. There's a blockchain app you can download from the App Store. You can get yourself registered. It says we're giving away $125 million worth of Stellar XLM. So if we go back to Coinbase, we're just going to go into the normal sell. I was pulling your leg, dude. Sorry, man. I just thought that. Sorry, I'm going to go into the buy mode. We'll go back to sell. We're going to click on XLM. It's worth 11 euro cents. It's probably about what 12, 13 US cents, something like that. I've got none in my wallet here. I've already transferred it out, but literally you can go. We are giving away $125 million worth of Stellar Lumens. You go get crypto. It'll then take you to the blockchain wallet exchange. And then we just wait for the broadband to wake up. How are things in England, Stephen? Apparently the weather's not that not that great there. And then okay, so once you've downloaded the blockchain app through the App Store, you can then put your wallet ID. Then you can effectively follow the process. You'll have to register. You need to go through the full registration process, and then it takes about 7 to 10 days for the Stellar Lumens to be deposited into your bank account. Oh, sorry, your wallet. Beg your pardon, not your bank account. Again, I didn't use any. I didn't put any details in regards to banking information on there. Once I had that, I literally transferred it to my main crypto wallet, and it's and it was all done. So it's up to you if you want to use. You can use your Coinbase as your main base to work out of. So whenever there's free cryptocurrencies available, you can just send everything in here. And then you can obviously then convert it out, obviously depending on if you want to. Yeah, apparently I heard it's very, very wet for summer. I mean, Ireland's actually had better weather than England actually has for a change. But that's as easy as that. And literally, you can have. There's $50 there. What did I mention? There's 76, potentially $76 plus $50. I got $50 out following this blockchain app. Yes, it took a little bit longer. It wasn't instant. But but essentially I waited and waited, and eventually I got an email saying that everything had been accepted. My crypto was on the way. Once it was in my blockchain app, or once it was in my crypto wallet, I'd immediately transfer it out to my main wallet. But yeah, I got $50 of Stellar just from doing this, just from registering. And then you can do what you like with it. So, you know, one of the many ways, obviously, as stackers are, to increase your stack for nothing, you can follow this process. Entirely up to yourselves. There's 6 in the chat currently. I was expecting maybe a few more people would be a bit more intrigued. Maybe they'll come later. However, it is 12 o'clock there in America. So it's still very early times there in America. But you can follow the simple guidelines here, and you can build your stack for nothing. Or you can buy constitutional. You can do whatever you like. So again, it's I'm obviously not offering any financial advice. I put a disclaimer in the description. This is just what is out there. You know, Coinbase are advertising this as in free crypto. So if you go back here, you go back to the home section. It even says invite friends, and you can earn €8. So it's probably about $10 if you invite your friends. So again, we're going to go back here. There's your complete your account. So it says add payment method, which I've left out. So I've verified my ID, and obviously your add your phone number in, confirm your email address, and that just gives you an idea of what you have in your portfolio currently at the minute. And then they do update these. Apparently, they'll what in the you can even go in there and you can say what is Coinbase Earn, and it's Earn lets you earn cryptocurrencies while learning about them in a simple way and engaging way. Obviously, there's the CTO there on Coinbase, probably telling you a bit about them. It says, how does Coinbase Earn work? It says, watch videos. We've created an educational videos to teach you about different cryptocurrencies. Complete a quiz, earn. You'll receive crypto in your Coinbase wallet for every quiz you complete. And then it says there, start today. Earn opportunities are only available for a limited time to a small set of customers. So again, it's, well, once you register, it's available. So complete them before they're all gone. And there's already a couple here are gone. There's Ox, ZRX is not available, and Zcash is not available, but the other ones are still there. So money for jam, as they say in England. Steve Neat says, plus my friend's on holiday in Spain, and the bugger keeps sending me pics of him and his wife sat around the pool with a cold beer. Very nice. Mrs. Big T Coin says, well, thank you, Silver Limey. I will give it a go. Awesome, give it a go. I don't think you'll be disappointed. And then what you can do, Mrs. Big T Coins, if you can post a comment on this video once you've got your free crypto. But I've done the processes here. I've got my money. I've kept it all in crypto. But you can do what you like with it. But I'd certainly like to know whether yours went through okay. So if you wouldn't mind doing that when you are done, that would be fantastic. At least then people can, be reassured. Stephen E says, money for old rope. Yep, that's it. Money for old rope. Money for jam. That is very true. Do you reckon you'll give it a go, Stephen? Just out of interest? Are you interested in getting free money? Mrs. Big T Coin says, sure, I will. If you have a Coinbase account already, it'll help anyway, Mrs. Big T Coins, because then you can just go through to the Earn Crypto section, complete the videos, answer the questions. The questions, there tends to be 5 answers. Literally, you can click each of them if you want, or you can watch them and actually understand them, and then actually give the correct answer. It's entirely up to you, but they don't turn you away. But I've already posted this on my Facebook page, the Stellar Lumens, to see if any of my friends would be interested in. But none of them are currently at the minute. So if you have got some close friends and they're interested in doing something like this, you can mention that and just get them straight on. You'll get the $40 worth of XLM straight away. or the stellar lumens, and then you can do what you like with it. I think it's money. Yeah, it really is straightforward. But give it a go anyway. Why not? And then this one will just take you a little bit longer. So just keep in mind, this just goes into a bit of sort of explaining what they're doing. It says, why are you giving away free crypto? It says, at Blockchain, we're passionate about connecting the world to crypto and helping our users interact with the crypto assets in a safe and easy way. The first step to becoming an active participant in the crypto ecosystem is getting a crypto asset. Basically means starting with one. By offering XLM to our users for free, we hope to help build a bigger community of crypto users. How much XLM will I receive? Well, the amount of XLM per airdrop may vary. They call it airdrops. Airdrops is when there's a free crypto sort of giveaway. Essentially, you can go to a site. I think it says airdrop, and they'll notify you of any airdrops. So what we're going to do is we're going to also have a look at that. Crypto airdrops. Let's see if it picks up airdrops. No, let's do crypto airdrop. There you go, and there it is there. So it gives you a list for 2019. So if you go in there and say free airdrops, and it'll tell you which ones are finished, which ones are still available. XRP on Coinbase. Urban Silverstacking, how are you doing? Sorry. Right, let's have a look here. So what we have here is we've got some airdrops here. There's the latest ones. Now these are various other cryptos. They've got let's have a look there. Exclusive airdrops, latest airdrops value $21. Dollar value $1 plus chances to win. There's another one, $15. Now I'm not sure about these other coins. I really don't know about these tokens. I just know the ones I'm aware of. And there's that Urban Silverstacking says good, buddy. XRP on Coinbase. That's yep. As far as I know, it's definitely on Coinbase. That was one of the big things. Check out the free crypto. I don't know if you've done this already, but there's free crypto on Coinbase and there's free crypto on blockchain. Let's have a look. XRP. There it is. XRP wallet. There's your XRP wallet right there. You might want to play back the video as well, Urban. Urban Silverstacking says 40 cents a coin. Yeah, that's right. Well, 40 cents US, it's about 37 cents euro. Sherry Ward, how are you doing? So what, I've just put up this fantastic video on how you can get some free crypto and you can convert that into your dollar, your native currency, and then you can transfer it to your PayPal account. Really straightforward. Watch the video earlier on, go through it, and all you have to do is register. You don't need to put any banking details. I did all of this without putting in any banking information. I've got a separate wallet that I work off, so I work off a completely different wallet called Wirex. I use them because they're literally here in Europe as well, so their head offices in the UK. But yeah, you can Google the free airdrops and you can take advantage of those. And if they're on Coinbase, it's even better. That gives you the access there to transfer those funds. So blockchain, it says we're giving away $125 million worth of Stellar. It says, what are you giving away? So we partnered with Stellar Development Foundation to give free Stellar Lumens to blockchain wallet users. XLM is a token that enables quick, low-cost, worldwide transactions. Learn more. Obviously, learn more here. You can click on that. I'll put all the details in the description of the two of Coinbase and claim your free Stellar in the description. Whether you already own crypto or you are crypto curious, this is your chance to help build the future for finance. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go on cryptocurrency market capitalization, and then we're going to go look at Stellar, because that is one of the ones here. Now, Stellar's rated number 10. They've got a market cap there of $2.381 billion. Their current trading price is 12 cents for US. There's 19 million in circulation. Sorry, beg your pardon, 19 billion. There it's down 2.78% currently. You can also, what's handy about this, you can go in there and you can see exactly what the high was. You can see a full breakdown of the chart. So I'm going to go and take a look here and see where we are. It's currently ranked number 10. Circulating supply 19 billion 408 million. Total supply is 105 billion. That also gives you a Bitcoin rating as well to Stellar Lumens. Andre G, how you doing, Andre? You well? Urban Silver Stacking says Cardano. Have you got Cardano? That's one asset I actually don't have. XRP is rated number 3. That is correct. I presume you've got some XRP there. Urban Silver Stacking. There you go. So all-time high was 93 cents back in January 2018. So again, what you can consider doing is, instead of pulling that money out for your personal use, you can either leave it there, and if it gets to nearly, well, it's 93 cents, which it did in 2018, you can then cash out, and then you've got a nice large return on your free investment. Yes, a boatload. Nice one, Urban. Dave Mork, how are you doing, Dave? You well? Thanks very much for joining me on this video. I put the details earlier on. You can go check the video out from the beginning, see how you can get that free crypto. Let's have a look here. We're going to go back to Coinbase again. We're going to go back to the home screen there. Okay, it says here, what do you need to do to receive your XLM? You'll need to complete the wallet profile to gold level, which is basically verifying yourself, to meet the compliance requirements and to ensure that no one is trying to claim more XLM than what they're entitled to. 1 XLM distribution per person, so you'll only get 1 drop per person. So you can't try again with a different email address unless participating in a bonus activity. You can still use your blockchain wallet without completing your profile. Sorry about that. That is the donkeys out there. Hey, Linda, how are you doing, Linda? Right, so it says, how much XLM will you receive? It says the amount of XLM per drop may vary. I got $50 for free, but I'm not saying everyone else is going to get 50. You might get 50, so who knows? It's worth at least trying. Mrs. Big T's giving giving everyone the thumbs up. He knew Bitcoin would do what it did. Very, very true. And Bitcoin's an interesting one. It's there's 21 million Bitcoin left. Well, there's 21 million Bitcoin, and 17.5 million has been used. So there's only what's that, 3.5 million left in the world. Hence why I've got some Bitcoin as well. I'll be taking advantage of that when things do change. Yeah, so the varying, it does vary, but I don't know how. I'm not sure if everyone generically gets $50. They might do, but I presume this is going to be for a limited time. So don't sit around waiting and thinking, why didn't I? All you have to do is open a Coinbase account, verify that you are you, and then just wait for the airdrop to drop into your accounts, and then you can do whatever you like with that $50. It says, what can I do with my XLM? It says, it's up to you. XLM was designed to be used to transact with your friends and family across the globe in seconds. Obviously, there you go. So blockchain, details in the description. They're giving away $125 million worth of Stellar Lumens. Obviously, a certain amount will be allocated per person. Yeah, why not? I'll try. Oh, awesome, Urban. I mean, if you want, you can convert. I converted some of this into Litecoin. I did a bit of XRP as well. It's entirely up to you. If you want to keep some Stellar, keep some Stellar. I like a nice varied wallet. Stephen Heath says Limeys. Oh, that was the donkey outside. Limeys. Sorry, I had to. Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry about that racket outside. But right, so go to Coinbase. Go to this section here. Obviously, you can open an account. That's all you have to do to verify. Confirm your email address. Add your phone number. This enables two-factor authentication. It's an extra way of securing your account. Basically means when you log in, it'll then send a unique 6-digit code to your phone to make sure that you are accessing your wallet. You can put that code in, then it'll then go great, and then it'll log you in. It says verify your identity, upload your ID. You don't have to. I didn't bother with the add a payment method because I only use this as my. This is my sort of pooling account, and then I transfer it to my main account. So if there's other free airdrops, I'll transfer it here, and then I'll transfer it out to my main crypto account. Any questions out there? So we've got 11 watching currently at the minute. So all I think is our peeled. Here, if we have a look here, we've got XRP, we've got Stellar Lumens, Litecoin, 122 euros. These are all priced in euros. I'm gonna try and see, maybe we can. This is trade. Damn, okay, so thought maybe we could go into view asset. Let's click on Bitcoin. It's up 4.9% in the last 24 hours. That Litecoin looks really good going forward. Yeah, I didn't have much Litecoin, and what I've done was I've actually sold some of the free Stellar Lumens that I got and converted it to Litecoin. So my Litecoin wallet is increasing, and I've still got some Stellar Lumens as well, because apparently that's supposed to be on its way up. So I've got some of that in reserve. Once that reaches a certain price, I'll then flog that and then go for something else. So there's Bitcoin there. Circulating supply is 17.8 million. The total the total amount of Bitcoin that's going to be made is 21. So there you go. So that is the difference there. All-time high was $17,889.46. Pretty awesome. And look at that. That's a nice curve there. So David Connell to Silver Limey 79, not to change the subject, but how many asset I'm not sure if you mean assets or if you're talking about the asses outside. Stephen E says euros monopoly money. Well, I think any fiat money is monopoly money, not backed by anything. To be honest, Stephen. Sorry, David. Just clarify that. Yeah, let's take a look at Litecoin here. Well, there we go. It's up to 124 at the minute. Wow. Okay. Well, look at that nice curve up here. Bam. 15th of June. That is today. It was 120 euros at 5 p.m. At 5:24, it was at 123 and 18 cents by 5:24. So in 24 minutes, it went up pretty much what, 3 euros. It's probably about five US dollars. Not bad. Circulating supply 62 million Litecoin. All-time high is $334. Wow, that's going to be a good one. Yeah, donkeys. Well, they don't belong to me. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 donkeys currently. That's what we have on the farm. Top 5 cryptos. There you go. Litecoin, BSV, BNB. That's Binance Coin and XRP. But that pretty much draws the stream to a close, really, unless there's other questions. You guys want me to have a look at something? I can have a look at something for you. Another handy site I use is TradeView. This I use for pretty much anything. My silver, gold, crypto, whatever. If there's anything that you want to see technically doing a technical analysis on, I use this site here, TradingView. You can then type in exactly what you're looking for. So if we have a look even at from a silver price or gold price, Limey only bets on donkeys. So let's put silver in, and then it'll give you all the various options. So we want silver USD. We're going to see what comes up here. So there we go. We got US dollar per ounce. Obviously, it's currently closed at the minute, so it was down 3 cents on Friday. Market closed June 14th. Currently at $14.85. And there you go. You can see that's when I started noticing this lovely uptrend here. It was the 12th of November, and I was like, yep, it's going to be silver's time to shine. And then it hit this point here. It was obviously a major resistance level, because you can see there on the left, on this one here, I'm going to just make a little mark here. Damn. I'm going to go back down there. So that was a major resistance level for silver. And then it tried twice to break through, and it didn't. So what generally tends to happen is once it's had 2 attempts, there'll be a sell-off, and it's exactly what happened there. Who won the red Germanic line? It was Michael. Michael I was the winner for that one. David, what would you say its best investment? Gold, silver, Bitcoin with £3,000? Well, not giving any financial advice directly to yourself, David, but it's a bit of a tough one. I tend to keep my fingers in all the pies if I can, sort of spread it out rather than just having it in one asset. The main benefit of that is that you'll either have a non-correlation asset, which basically means that if for instance gold goes up, and let's just say Bitcoin it tends to go down, then that's a non-correlation. Whereas if gold goes up and Bitcoin goes up, and the correlation is exactly the same, they would be effectively linked. But literally, I mean, talking for myself now, I would probably be looking at putting more money into Bitcoin, mainly because of the highs and the limited ability, or the limit of Bitcoin that's left. And then there's going to be a halving next year as well. I don't know, look, there's a lot of people that aren't familiar with what Bitcoin is, but they're going to be reducing the reward by half next year. So there'll be half the amount of Bitcoin left. And then, of course, until it reaches the 21 million, then there's no more. So I personally would consider investing money into Bitcoin. Yeah, me too, Silver Limey. But again, David, that's entirely your decision. How you wanna do that. Obviously, do your research, know what you're getting into. I mean, you're talking about quite a lot of money there. I'm just trying to understand the fundamentals of when it goes up and when it goes down, and when to buy in the dips, sell on the high. So look, Stephen E says Limey has to go now because Mrs. Limey's on the way home and Limey's cooking again. Actually, not this time, unfortunately, but good guess there, Stephen. But yeah, the way you're covered on all bases. Yeah, that absolutely. So I mean, literally, if I've got money, obviously I've got silver and I've got gold. And I've got my crypto assets consist of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Stellar, XRP. If one of those goes down, like pretty much what we had here, we had Bitcoin going up earlier, and then we had I don't know if that's still the case. Let's go back here. So we had Bitcoin going up yesterday, and we had all the other assets going down. So, but what that meant was that my profile, there we go, it's starting to go up nicely. Look at nice green. There we go. We got Bitcoin up to 8.8 currently, and that's gonna reach 10K relatively soon for sure. I've been watching and you can just see this lovely uptrend. How fantastic that looks right now. But that's nearly up 5%, which is great. The volume, the 24-hour volume, is $19.2 billion in volume. You've got Ethereum there at number 2, which I don't hold any Ethereum. That's 4.59% up. And then we've got XRP. It's up to 41, which is great. I'm going to go and check my wallet now to see how much my investments have moved today. So it's been a green day all around, which is great. So I've got Bitcoin, I've got XRP, I've got Litecoin, and I've got Stellar as well. So it's 12.5 cents. Lovely. Litecoin doing well, approaching 140 again. Well, you can see it's leveling off there, and then it's probably going to move up. It's a matter of when, really. If you guys saw Regal Stacker posted a video about Litecoin when he was, I think, quite a few months back. He was saying, "Everyone buy Litecoin, buy Litecoin." I think at that stage, Litecoin was about $80, and it's currently up to what, 100 and nearly 140. So if you'd bought at $80, then you'd see a nice return of almost $60 return on an $80 investment. That's pretty damn good. You can't even get that with stocks. Anyway, Mrs. Big T Coin says Bitcoin though is just as expensive for me. Yeah, what I've considered doing is, well, what I do is I put blocks down. So, for instance, I'll put 50 euros in, or I'll buy 100 euros to round it up. But don't forget, you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy a fraction. You can buy a fraction of XRP. You can buy a fraction of Litecoin. You can buy a 10th ounce of, or 10th ounce. You can buy a 10th of a Litecoin. You can buy a 10th of a Bitcoin. So very similar in regards to fractional precious metals that you can consider, buying a small fraction of Bitcoin. I mean, if anyone is out there wondering what investment if they had money today and they go, out of that top 7 there, which one should I put money in? Well, which one do you expect the sort of biggest return? Well, first of all, Bitcoin, there's 17.7 in supply, and then there's only going to be another 4 million left. So that's it. After that, there's no more Bitcoin. So you can just imagine what the price is going to be. People are predicting crazy prices. You got 10 grand, you got 15, you got 20, you got 50,000, 100,000. Some guys even saying 1 million. And I don't think that they're wrong. Once the supply is used up, people want what they can't have. Simple as that. So people are going to be paying big money for Bitcoin because they can't have it, and eventually someone will offload. I mean, if you think about it, if the price of Bitcoin reaches $100,000 and someone sells a 10th of a Bitcoin, that's 10 grand, just like that. A 10th of a Bitcoin for 10 grand. Let's have a look. Hey, scrapping, hoarding, tinkering, fun. How you doing? I run my son's gaming computer to get crypto. Oh, awesome, man! So you do some mining. I love it. But I have no idea how to get it out of my wallet. Yeah, I think you need to. Yeah, there's certain sites you can register for mining, and you need to pay them a fee. And I think that's one way to do it. Mrs. Big T Coin says, "True silver lining. Maybe I should." I mean, don't forget, crypto and gold and precious metals have so much in common. First of all, they don't like fiat. Secondly of all, they're finite. They're both finite. There's going to be a certain amount of silver left in the world. There's going to be a certain amount of gold left in the world. There's going to be a certain amount of crypto digital assets in the world, and it's all there. You can see exactly what the supply is. You can see exactly how much digital assets there are in the world. They're not going to keep printing them. Your fiat money, they just keep printing that stuff. You don't know how much is out there. $150 trillion. They just keep printing that stuff. So from holding your wealth perspective, and this is the reason why I'm doing it, is because I can see the potential in this market and the correlation between precious metals and cryptocurrencies. It is there, and they call Bitcoin digital gold. The correlation there is, they both share an anti-fiat standing. So, from stacking, we want to stack our wealth in precious metals because, one day the dollar is going to be worth nothing. And likewise with any of the currencies out there that are not backed by anything. DB Stupid, how you doing, DB? So look, Andre G, I have slightly more than that invested, but I do not believe it will be the future. I'm just in it for the price gains. Well, coin collector, just watch the video, follow the links, get the free coins, man. Go to Coinbase. You can earn free crypto currently at the minute. Just follow their videos, watch their videos. You get paid straight away, and then you can claim. There's $125 million worth of free Stellar going up for grabs. Check the video out earlier, and I'll follow the guidelines to it. It's all there. So I'm going to go back to the screen here. DB Stupid says, back then you could only get the coins on the exchanges. Well, a lot has changed. You're absolutely right. If you think about the infrastructure now versus the infrastructure a year ago, we're looking at a totally different market right now. There's a heck of a lot more exchanges available. They've made it easier now for you to draw money out. A lot of the exchanges now give you a debit card, so you can load when you sell. Like, I mean, Wirex is one of them, which is the one I use. When you sell your cryptocurrency, you can load it onto your card, so you can use it as a debit card. DB Stupid says, nope, it looked like a scam. Empty. Oh, absolutely, Mount Gox. But again, look at it from this perspective. You were looking at a completely different market back then, DB Stupid. But yeah, you guys can Google the Mount Gox thing. Check out Wikipedia in regards to, in case you're wondering what Mount Gox is. It was a Bitcoin exchange. Coin Collector says, I already use Coinbase. Cool. Well, go straight there. If you haven't done this, if you use Coinbase, go straight down here to earn crypto. Click on that, and then you'll get your options there on the sides. There we go. I've already done my. I've already watched these videos. You got $6 there, $10 there. Initially $10 for Stellar Lumens, but then there's still $40 remaining. If you invite your friends to come and watch the videos, you'll automatically get an extra boost of $40 straight into your account. $76 for nothing. And then if you claim the further crypto through this one here and registering through the blockchain app, then you'll get some additional free Stellar. Punkler says, I got your letter in the post yesterday. Oh, awesome, man. Jeez, that took a while to get there. Thanks, Coin Collector. Limey and his highfalutin cryptos. Lord have mercy. Sherry Word, I'll definitely try it, my friend. I appreciate the info. Absolutely, no. That's what this video is all about. The info's there. It's up to you to go and claim it. Yeah, I'm not here to force anybody. I'm just putting the information out there. The details are in the description. It's up to you to go, you know what, I wouldn't mind having some free cash. There's $36 there up for grabs. That's 2 ounces of silver. Bang, straight away. And then if you get 4 friends to get them on as well, who will then also get $40, and then you'll automatically get a top up of $40. It's all there for the taking, the way I like it. Mrs. Big T Coin says, kind of stupid, but a smart of Amex. I watched it go. Watched it crash to zero in real time when Mt. Gox went when it spooked the whole market. Absolutely, but don't forget, it was an unregulated market. People were doing stupid stuff back then. Well, what you're seeing now is you're seeing a lot more of a mature market. DB Stupid. So definitely consider that. But you know, it's up to you if you want to do this, man. It's I'm not forcing anybody. You can use your Bitcoin on AppMex to buy coins. There you go. And half the time is it's cheaper for you to use Bitcoin. So what you can also do is you can obviously follow your Coinbase here, put it into crypto, and then just transfer it to their account in Bitcoin. Up to yourself. David Carlisle. He's laughing there at Stephen. Blame Royal Mail. I know, because John RMS has sent me something as well, and I think it must have been about 2 weeks ago. And I said to him yesterday, and it still hasn't arrived because I've got another piece of mail here, but I don't want to open it until the other ones arrive, because then I can do a big video then of all the mail I've got, rather than just doing one here and one there. But yeah, that sucks, man. You're awesome, Limey. Thank you. No, absolutely pleasure, Sherry Ward. If you follow this, do me a favor, come back to the video, post a video to say, "Yep, I got my free crypto." I'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to like the video. DB Stupid says, is this market regulated now? Well, the regulation's coming. Absolutely, the regulation is coming this year, and that's 100%. You got Bitcoin futures, you got the stock markets, you got Nasdaq, you got Wall Street. They all want to get involved in this in digital assets. Don't forget, digital assets it's the newest asset since 1694. So that's how new this market is. And the market cap, the total market cap here is $276 billion currently. That is nothing in relation to what's in the stock market right now, and that is all going to change. That is all going to change, and you can see it. I remember I've been in this space now probably for over a year now, and it dropped. The market cap dropped down to to 100 million. It was 103 million. So its lowest, I think it was what was that, November last year? It had literally scraped the bottom of the barrel, and look where it is now. So can 176 billion dollars be wrong on top of the 100 that was already there? I very much doubt it. And even you can see it here. The Bitcoin dominance 56.6. Cryptocurrencies is 2,237 of them. I doubt all of them are going to last, to be honest. So hence why I just tend to stick with the top 10. You can't go wrong. I don't think that you can go wrong, really. But every asset has its risks. So make sure that you understand the risks that go with it, even with buying gold and silver. That's why you got everyone saying, "Oh, but it retains its value." The price of silver could drop down to $2 if it wanted to. By literally everyone dumping silver or precious metals, the prices could drop. So it happens to anything, even in the stock market, even in cryptocurrencies. You could one day find that Bitcoin drops down to $400. So understand the risks with any asset you're getting involved in, whether it's cryptocurrencies, whether it's digital assets, whether it's precious metals, whether it's stock market. Understand the risks that you could lose your money. Only invest what you're prepared to lose. That is the best advice, and that is the best form of advice I can tell anybody. Invest what you're prepared to lose. I'm just going to check the chat here again. Royal Mail so slow for international delivery. Yeah, funny enough, I think it's quicker me sending stuff here to you. It just tends to go through much far quickly anyway. If you think the Royal Mail is slow, try Canada Post. No, that's slow. Yeah, it's probably all the snow drifts that they need to get through, Stephen. Full Push Metals. Hey, Full Push Metals, how you doing? Sorry, I saw you there earlier. You said hello to me. I'm going to go back to you. It says, hey, Limey. Hey, Chad. Only thing is that Bitcoin can be subdivided into fractional amounts into infinity. Still feel the same. Well, not infinity. There is so many Satoshis equals a Bitcoin. It's like, your 100 cents equals a pound. Oh, sorry, 100 cents equals $1. You've got $1 broken into fractionals of 1 cent pieces. It'll only ever be worth $1. You can't get any other amount out of it. If you get 100 1 cent pieces, it's only going to be worth $1. Cheers, Andre G. Thanks for dropping in. I watch my crypto every day. Yeah, I know. I'm just mad. Every day I wake up, I go check my crypto, and I'm like, okay, it's up. And the Yahoo's got a brilliant app. If anyone who's got crypto, you can add your own crypto, and you can add in how much you paid for it, how much you have, and then what it does is on the Yahoo app, it'll show you the day's gain, and it'll tell you your total gain, which I think is fantastic. So therefore, it'll tell you how much money it's gained in value, rather than just a daily average. Full Push Metal says, I'm making a stacking shirt with those words. Sherry Ward, have a great weekend, my friends. Cheers, Sherry. Good to see you. If you lose your money, it's Libby's fault. Just remember, I'm not giving advice here. It's the same as the disclaimers in the description. Mrs. Big T Coins, one usually balances the other. If the stocks are down, the crypto, yep, that's correct. That's why diversity is so important. Is to have, rather than, I've seen comments there where everyone goes, nah, I've got all my money in silver. you could potentially be sitting on a huge loss if you got all your money based in one asset. So what you can do is you can look at different assets which can balance it out. So that when silver's down, you might find your airline shares, for example, are up by let's say they're up by $5, and your total ounceage of silver is down by $2. Therefore, because you had $5 was up on the airline shares and $2 down on the silver you have, you're still up by $3 in total. And that is the best thing you can do to avert risk, is by diversifying. So that's why it's always good to have a bit of gold, a bit of silver. I know some of you out there, you stack platinum. It's, sadly, in Europe, I can't seem to get fractional platinum. Just to keep the options open a bit, because I think platinum will do quite well, and it's very cheap at the minute. But the premiums on some of the stuff is really expensive for platinum. Sorry, going back into in crypto while learning about crypto. Huge loss or a huge gain? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, coin collector. Cherry board. I'll try to help everyone out if I can. Safety net all round. Well, guys, that brings us. That brings the end of this live stream. Good luck out there. I hope you guys try this out. It's money for jam. It's out there. It's a matter of going out there and deciding if you want it. If you want a piece of it, you can either keep it in crypto or convert it into USD or Euro, or you can obviously then convert it into your fiat currency, and then you can buy other stuff with it. So it's all out there. Thanks very much for joining me on this live stream. Appreciate you all. Those in the chat, just a few shout outs. Coin collector, I will try it as it's free. Absolutely. Let me know in the chat if you're gonna have a go and try it out and get the free coins. We got Mrs. Big T coins. We got Sherry Ward, Stephen Heath, EPNS, my mod, and we got Coin Collector as well. My mod, full push medals as well. I'll keep pushing for sure, my friend. Daniel Kugler, what crypto do you have faith in? Limey, I already answered it there, Daniel. Just in case you're still around. Going back, Andre G was in earlier. Thank you, Silver Limey. Absolutely. Excellent. I'm going to try it, Sherry Ward. Mrs. Big T Coins will do. So don't forget to put the comment back in the description once you have it. It's up to you what you want to do with it. But go ahead with it. Try it out. It's there. You can convert it into silver or convert it into gold if you get enough people there to come over and try it as well. Thanks very much, and I'll see you all in the next video. And I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you all soon. Anyone got any big plans for their weekend? Cheers, Coin Collector. Thanks again, my friend. Always good to see you. Getting drunk, says Stephen Heath. It says I finished my term at uni, so a rest. Yeah, I just got my exam results yesterday for my investment course I'm busy doing. Actually, I passed, which is great. So it's the first module out of a 2-module certificate that I'm doing at the minute. So I got my results yesterday, the preliminary results, and I passed. So I was like, yeah, now I need to move on to the next module, which is only at I think it's towards the end of the year. It's about September, October. So yeah, I'll be looking forward to completing that, and then I've got an official certificate, which is great. Congrats, man. Now are you going to claim to be a financial advisor? Yeah, I still need to. I'm going to be studying the regulation part. That's the next module, really, is regulation. But yeah, that's going to be at the end of the year. But I still need to register for that. I think it's September or something like that. So I'm going to just check it out. I think that might be when the next course is available. But yeah, that is the plan to a degree. Looking forward to it. But it sounds like you've got plenty of studying to do there, coin collector. Oh, sorry, you finished your term, so you don't have to study. Cheers, David. Take care. Thanks, everyone, again. Have a fantastic weekend, everybody, and thanks for staying up to the end here as well. Really appreciate you all. I think we're about about an hour in. I'll see you all on the next video. I'm going to be posting a video. It's probably going to be tomorrow, and I've got the coin wall to do as well. So we got the next episode for the coin wall. So I'll be doing that tomorrow. So take care, everybody, and I'll see you on the next video.